pagkataas ng snow na yan.
So hindi ako pwede mag-park na.
Wala kang pagpapark. Nakasang ka diyan magpapark ko.
Oh my goodness.
Nag-snowstorm na naman. Buksan natin yung pinto. Ayan natin yung labas. Oh my God, look. Sa pintuan namin, oh. Oh my God. Dahil mataas ang snow at hindi makalabas ang aming mga sasakyan, hindi rin kami makapasok sa trabaho. And we decided to play in the snow and have fun for the day. Kaya, gumawa kami ng snowman at balik ako sa pagkabata. Nag-enjoy kahit malamig.
3, 2, 1.
Press again. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You can try it now. Oh my God, my eyeglasses. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, you dodged it, huh? Oh, oh, you dodged it again. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. Just one day. Para mabilis ganyan anak ko. Yun na, oh. And throw. See, grab.
It doesn't look like a face. It just looks scary. It's the face and it looks scary. It's so scary. It looks so scary.
Our snowman is scary.
Ang galing talaga ni Pangila.
Oh, hirap magkayari. Naglilinisan, oh. Ang daming reserve na ano yun. Pag nilinis
gusto nila, di reserve na ang kanilang parkingan.
Kapag wala parking, ganyan.
Pag walang parking, ganyan.
Walang garage.
O, tama rin, oh.
How many inches na yun ata? Talagang, more than 20 inches. No? See, if you can see inside, oh.
Talagang mahirap
So, should I go Belmont?
Yeah,
I think so.
I think so. I think they're done cleaning it.
In 30 minutes, it's not even an hour. We'll see. Kung hindi, mahirapan na naman ako likod.
Ganyan ako nun doon sa dati nating tinirahan. Iiwa.
This, oh. May pizza.